Hello students, how are you? Today we will discuss some chemical properties of acids. First property, reaction of acids with metals. When acids react with metal, they will release hydrogen gas. And salt means when acids metal के साथ react करते हैं तो salt plus hydrogen gas क्या होती है, release होती है. Like here, when metal react with acid, metal salt is formed plus hydrogen gas is released. Here zinc is a metal, HCl is a acid. When both react, zinc chloride is formed, that is salt, and plus hydrogen gas is released. It may be noted that different metals react with acids to different extent. इसका क्या मीनिंग है, भी जो सभी मेटल्स हैं वो सभी एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करती, कुछ बहुत फास्ट करती है, कुछ स्लो करती है. कुछ मेटल्स ऐसी हैं दैट नेवर रिएक्ट विद एसिड्स लाइक कॉपर, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद एसिड्स. एंड कुछ एसिड्स भी ऐसे हैं जो मेटल्स के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करते, लाइक कार्बोनिक एसिड डज नॉट रिएक्ट विद मेटल्स. नाउ रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड विद metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonate means bicarbonates. When acids react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, again salt plus carbon dioxide gas are formed. When sodium carbonate react with HCl, sodium chloride is formed, that is salt. CO2 is released and water is formed, sodium carbonate, when react with HCl. And when metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, again metal salt is formed plus water and carbon dioxide, sodium bicarbonate plus HCl, sodium chloride is formed, that is salt. Water plus carbon dioxide gas are released. Now third one, reaction of acids with base. Acids react with base to give salt and water. When acids react with base, salt and water are formed. In all acid base reactions, both acid and base lose their character, means their acidic and basic nature is destroyed. So such reactions are called neutralization reactions. Here one example, when HCl reacts with sodium hydroxide, NaCl is formed, that is salt plus water. Reaction of metallic oxide with acids. Acids react with metallic oxides to form salt and water again, means when metal oxide react with acid, salt and water are formed. Copper oxide plus HCl, we will get copper chloride, that is salt, plus water. It may be noted that reaction between acids and metal oxides to form salt and water similar to neutralization reaction between acid and base to form salt and water. Therefore, reaction between acid and metal oxide is a kind of neutralization reaction. Therefore, metallic oxides are also called basic oxides. What do all acids have in common? We have seen earlier, when all acids react with metals, they produce hydrogen gas. So, it means hydrogen is common in all acids. And when acids or when we pass electricity through a dilute acid, they will conduct. It means electric current starts flowing through them. When acid react with water, they form hydrogen ions, but hydrogen ions cannot exist alone. They again react with water and they form hydronium ions. Classification of acids. Some acids are strong and some acids are weak. The acids which are completely ionized, जो एसिड completely ionized हो जाते हैं वाटर के साथ completely react कर जाते हैं, that are strong acids. Like HCl is a strong acid, sulfuric acid is a strong acid. Some acids are weak acids. The acid which ionize only a very small extent. जो एसिड्स कुछ आयन्स रिलीज करते हैं हाइड्रोजन के, दैट आर वीक एसिड्स. लाइक एसिडिक एसिड, carbonic acid, these are weak acids. Some industrial use of acids. HCl. HCl acid is used for cleaning metallic items like food, textile, dyes. In tanning, tanning means when we use animal skin to form leather. Printing. Sulfuric acid used in the manufacturing of fertilizers, chemicals, dyes and drugs. Nitric acid used in manufacturing of fertilizer, explosive, dyes. And acetic acid is used as a vinegar in cooking. Thank you. I hope you understood.